Hi, class. Well, we're in our final week. Um, this is a make or break week. We have two heavy assignments of worth 100 points each, which is a total of 200 points. I want you guys to finish strong this week. So make sure that you complete everything in week 5. I also want to say I hope you guys are keeping safe, that you are wearing masks and gloves when you have to go out, that you are taking precautions and keeping yourself safe. And not only that, that while you are quarantined, if you haven't, they haven't removed a shelter in place or whatever, and you're still quarantined, do healthy things to keep your attitude and your mind healthy during this time. Just thoughts out to you on that. Now, let's review with week 4. We discussed problem solving. We had great discussion in the discussion board about how you specifically solve problems, what steps, what methods you use to solve problems. And so there were some great examples and great discussion around that. This week, your discussion is going to be a little bit different, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. We also talked about solving Aslan's problem in assignment 4. You guys submitted some great analysis about Aslan's problem and gave some great pros and cons and some great examples about how you would solve the problem for yourselves. As a matter of fact, there were a couple of you that had similar situations where you either had gone through something similar as Aslan, or someone that you knew had gone through a similar problem as Aslan. So that was very helpful to see that you guys already experienced that. And so you use that knowledge that you experienced to help solve Aslan's problem. So that is what problem solving is all about. It's about thinking through the process, and it's about using your prior experiences to solve problems. So good job with that, guys. Now we're going to move into week 5. As I said, this is an important week. This is the final week. This is the week that you have 2 assignments worth 100 points. But this is also a powerful week because this week sets up your mindset for the rest of your time at Vista College. This week, we're going to talk about growth mindset, how to have a growth mindset, how to embrace your challenges, the power of your mistakes, using your mistakes to have a growth mindset, and the power of yet to have to move towards a growth mindset. As we move forward in the week, you can still, if you have not taken the keyboarding or the 10 key test, you can still do that. You can still practice and do that. Now, if you've already taken it and you've gotten your badge, that's it. But if you haven't and you want to try it, go ahead and feel free to do that. Now, if by chance you don't meet the minimum requirements for the badge, which is 40 words per minute for keyboarding and 8,000 keystrokes per hour for 10 key, you can continue to practice, and you can enroll into the career services class and submit your results there, and someone from career services will release your badge once you meet those minimum requirements. Okay. Now, for discussion 5, you're going to reflect on what you learned in this course up until now. What was the most valuable things that you learned that you will apply to your life now? And rank those things. Put them in the order of most important to least important, okay? And then tell how those things are going to help you be successful at Vista College and your courses coming up. You have 2 assignments this week again, like I said. One is a reflection assignment and consider your own mindset. And the other one is consider how yet can transform your mindset. Powerful, powerful things to discuss and to learn this week. I really believe this sets the tone for the rest of your time at Vista College. So I wish you well in those 2 assignments. Get an early start so you can give much thought to what you want to do in those assignments. Now, the other thing is if you have any missing assignments, I'm still taking late assignments. So please go ahead and submit any missing assignments during this time. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me or text me. Also, class ends on Friday at 11:59 p.m., not Sunday. Class ends this Friday at 11:59 p.m. Your initial discussion board is still due by Wednesday. So everyone should be in that discussion board reflecting on what they've learned in class, and everyone should post by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? All right, guys, have a great week.